Welcome back, guys, gals, other pals. Today we have beatnik. Now, this is supposed to be a jazzy mod. Like, let's go. So we're doing this. Yeah. First beat, let's go. We also have a bonus down here. Maybe we'll do this after the other beats because it looks like one. Also, just notice they're the same. Simple. Oh. Hey. My God. By the way, I just woke up and we're doing in credit box. It's a good way to start. Look at that. What is that? Ooh, it times perfectly with a snack. Come on. What do we got? Whoa. Hold on, wait. What was it cooking up? Hold on. Put these two to the side here. I'm gonna go Mr. Orange Man. Look at that guy. He sounds like wood. But it's not bad. I think we need a stamp. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. He sounds like heaven. This little man. He's got curtains around him. Ooh. It's nice. No. That does not work. Look at this guy. He looks like... Oh. I'm gonna try something weird. There we go. Wrong one. Yes! Yes! Oh my God! Amazing, bro. Look at this. Looks like it is a head. Yeah. Yeah. That's happening. Look at this man. Intimidating. Sorry, my father came in. It kind of sounds like the Rickroll. Bring the heat. Look at this man. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this guy by the way. Oh. Look at the man. And he just fucking dies. Is that all? What is this mod, bro? I meant like it's not bad. But this? Hold up. Wait a minute. He's just staring at me. Stop staring at me. Oh my god. Does he see something he likes? No. Look at this guy. Look at this man. Looks like he's been through some shit. We need snare. Come on, snare. We can do it. Oh my god. This goes harder than diamonds. Jesus. Oh, they work. They work together. Beautiful harmony, by the way. Or whatever you call it. I'm stupid, so I don't know. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, look at this man. Wait. Yeah, that guy. He looks like, you know. Ooh. Facts, brother. Spit your shit. Hey. Oh, God. No, we're gonna add Mr. Menacing Man over here. Mr. Over Here Menacing Man. That's what I almost said, by the way. It's missing something. What is it missing? So we got 3 bonuses up here. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what they're gonna be, but we're gonna find out. Look at the man's eyes. Give me that. Give me the bonus. Whoa. That was awesome. Like, amazing. Amazingly composed, amazingly well done. Oh my god. It's like he was at. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look at this. That was awesome. Now we got for the finale. No, it was like. I see.
We're gonna do something fun now. It's
Okay.
call and response.
Okay.
So I'm gonna sing something,
Okay.
then you're gonna sing something.
I see.
Feel free to join in.
Okay. I know it's. Oh my god, dude. Those cutscenes were like watching, I don't know, the stars or something. It was beautiful. Anyway, guys, gals, and other pals, that would be it for today. Like if you want, subscribe if you feel like, freaking comment which other mods you want me to play. And I will see you later. Why did I not hit the stop button? I keep not hitting the stop button. Stop. Hit the stop.